In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a Visa gift card to Doordash. So what I've done here is I've just loaded up the Doordash application and we want to click on Me in the bottom right corner. After we have clicked on Me, we will need to go into the settings. So just click on settings and here the second option should be payment. Simply select payment. Now the Visa gift card is usually a debit card, so we will choose credit/debit card here, and we will need to input the number, the expiration date, the CVC, which is the code on the back, as well as our country and zip code. You also have the option to scan your card by clicking on this camera icon next to the number. Now if that doesn't accept your Visa gift card, where you can try putting it is in the gift card section here. So I've just gone back into settings and we can click on gift card, and here you can redeem a gift card as if your Visa gift card has a separate number. So I hope this was informative. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.